Welcome to this new series of videos. You'll uncover the hidden geometry at the heart of sacred architecture.
Step by step, we'll follow the traces of the ancient builders, from ancient temples to great cathedrals. Stay with us, because you will never see architecture the same way again.
According to Vitruvius, the famous architect of ancient Rome, a true architect had to master 7 disciplines, known as the 7 liberal arts, before claiming the title. These were divided into 2 groups: the trivium, grammar, dialectic, and rhetoric, and the quadrivium, arithmetic, geometry, music, and astronomy. We can see them represented in this illustration by Herode of Landsberg, from the Hortus Deliciarum, dating back to the 12th century. At the center, Socrates and Plato are shown teaching philosophy.
Grammar teaches the mechanisms of language. It's the art of inventing symbols and combining them to express thought.
Dialectic teaches the mechanisms of thinking, analysis, and reflection.
Rhetoric is the application of language to explain or teach. It's the art of communicating ideas and adapting speech to circumstances.
Arithmetic is the science of numbers.
Geometry is the science of numbers in space, the study of flat figures and solid forms.
Music is the science of numbers in time.
And finally, astronomy is the science of numbers in both space and time.
The sequence of these videos is important to fully grasp the concepts of geometry I'll be presenting. But starting with this one, don't be surprised if we go beyond geometry alone.
Enjoy watching, and happy graphic explorations.
Thank you for watching this video.
Feel free to subscribe, like, and share.
See you soon for more discoveries on our channel, Sacra Géométrie.